Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, prices are a little bit lower overnight. I think that's kind of USDA number week. Today, the USDA will come out in their annual Outlook conference with some supply and demands for 2021 U.S. corn, soybean, and wheat. The guesses by the trade is that the corn carryout will be around 24.40, beans 5.20, and wheat 8.30. Again, those are adequate numbers, and they assume normal weather, and that we get a little bit of an uptick in demand. The USDA also came out earlier this week with outlooks for GDP, world population, corn, soybean, and wheat supply and demands through the year 2029. They're looking at a corn yield of 196.5, a carryout of 2.8, with exports increasing to 25.50. Bean yield 55.5, carryout at 385 with exports at 2240, and a wheat yield of 51.8, carryout at 917 and exports at 975. So the questions is, I don't have any problems with the acres, I don't have any problems with the yield. It just seems like exports may not go that high with the competition that we're seeing globally out of the Black Sea and South America. The Secretary of Agriculture will also announce an initiative where they're trying to increase farm productivity while reducing ag impact on the environment. USDA wants to reduce food waste by 50% and cut nutrient runoff by 30% while expanding renewable energy and lowering carbon emissions. So that's a pretty aggressive goal, especially in trying to cut nutrient runoff by 30%. South American weather is good. Argentina will be mostly dry the weekend, with the front bringing in light rains into the regions early next week, and then overall another drier trend late next week. So we've got to kind of watch Argentina as far as production is concerned, but Brazil is fine. As far as the futures are concerned, May futures, we're stuck in this 8.90, 9.13 trading range in the beans. I think that corn is May 382 to 390, wheat 540 to 570 in the May, and the market continues to battle the impact on price discovery from the coronavirus, the higher U.S. dollar, slower world economy, the estimates of higher world and U.S. 2020 crops. Stocks are lower overnight, crude's higher, the dollar's higher, and gold is higher. The higher dollar continues to offer more income for the Brazil and Argentina farmer, and even the Russian farmers versus the U.S. The funds are estimated to be long 50 wheat, short 76 corn, short almost 80 beans, short 60 meal, and long about 40 oil. Going into all these numbers the month end, and starting to look ahead in March at U.S. planting conditions and acres. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.